Hi there, students. To melt away. Okay, let's see. To melt, to go from solid to liquid. So I put the ice cubes in the sun and they melted. Water. But to melt away, to fade slowly, to wane, to lessen. So the crowd, after the match, the crowd melted away. It slowly dissipated. Initially there was a lot of support for the project, but slowly the support melted away. Okay, so something lessens and disappears. I was very stressed, and my girlfriend started massaging my neck, and that melted away all of my stresses and tension. My stress and tension melted away. Yeah, it made it go away. Let's see. Literally, there was lots of snow and the sun came out and the sun melted the snow away. It melted away the snow. Melted it away. So if it is transitive, it can be separable, but I think this is normally inseparable. Okay, so to melt away, to slowly disappear. You've got a strong feeling and it slowly becomes less strong. His anger melted away when he discovered the real reason why this had happened. He kissed her and her jealousy melted away. Okay, it disappeared gradually. It disappeared slowly. So a strong feeling melts away. At the first sign of trouble, his fair weather friends melted away. They disappeared very quickly. Okay, yes. Her anger melted when he told her that she loved him. That he loved her. Sorry. Okay, so to melt away, to disappear. It's a metaphor, to disappear as if with a result of melting, but yeah, using it metaphorically. Okay, so the I lit a big bonfire, and the predators melted away into the night. Okay, so to melt away, to fade, to wane, to decrease, to go. Okay, so to melt away. Go for a holiday in the sun and melt all your troubles away. Yeah, make them go away, make them feel slowly and steadily less. I think particularly a crowd would start to melt away. Yeah, the members slowly start to leave until no one's there. Their enthusiasm melted away as time went on. Yeah. Initially, the politician had a lot of support for his policies, but over time, that support melted away. It disappeared. It slowly went little by little. Yeah, this is the idea, because normally when something melts, it melts quite slowly. So let's see. Formality, to melt away. 4.5. 5. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. I'm wondering about whether you could use it very formally. I guess just about. So use it anywhere. And then as to origin, well, it comes from to melt. There's a Proto-Germanic word, meltana, meaning to melt, and a Proto-Indo-European word, meld or smelled, meaning melt as well. Yeah, there's an Icelandic word, melta, to digest. Yeah, so something melts. It goes from solid to liquid, to melt away, to disappear. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To melt away.